Alright.
God, please, have the back shot. If God.
Watch on man, one coloring book, and welcome back to Davi Dan HD, brand new movie. And say a movie named Blind, Broke and Betrayal. And here I go on, my brother this, and I talk about my blood brother. So here I go on. Just check out a movie, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you like and what you don't like. Tell a friend to make a friend, tell a friend. And people, you see people who watch a movie on the TV, remember, just take up your phone and type in Davi Dan HD and subscribe. That means when you subscribe, automatically the movie just forward when the link come out. Boom, one in a head. Davi Dan, big up yourself. Boom, new movie out.
On my knees, tell me, would you stay? When the floors all shake, would you stay? If the whole world breaks, I see the fear. I feel it too, but I'm still reaching out for you. Will our love survive? Will our love survive? Hold on, we can make it through. Will our love survive? Will our love survive?
Yeah, what you look for?
What, baby?
What you look for?
I'm short now, look for man.
Which shirt?
Yellow, see it, I'm yellow short. I late folk.
Make you break your neck, son?
I mean, baby.
Nothing wrong if you late for half an hour, you know. The boss will go fire if you late half an hour every day early, you know.
Baby, I know saying more fire me, but me like the early for it, man.
I'm not talking you work too much. You work too much for all of them. Sit down here, so I want to talk to you. If you late for half an hour, your boss cannot fire because you're early most while. More while early than you're going 8 o'clock and you're reaching 9 o'clock. So I want to talk to you. I don't know you're coming and broken neck and I'm going so far.
Baby, me just want to reach our early, man.
You're not late.
I'm not
Let me see
early.
time.
I'm not early.
You're not killer. You're early most of the time. Every morning you're early. Nothing wrong if you late this morning. Mark, so one question. Where you see yourself in the next like year or so off with me?
What do you mean? Together?
Yeah, but further on, you don't think about marriage.
Yeah, me always think about marriage.
Oh, make sure. So you plan to get married then? In the future?
Yeah, in the future, of course.
No, that doesn't like you.
Yeah, of course, I'm planning to get married.
Oh, cause something with me have on my to-do list, you know. Me not plan for date around and get married. Any date me a date, married have to be in it. You understand?
So you want to get married?
Yes, I want to in the future, of course.
So you have to
That's why
propose to me?
ask. No, you supposed to do that party.
So you can't do it?
No, I'm man for do it.
Suppose you want married me, I'm never sure. And you wouldn't propose to me now?
So yeah, should I say, you're not sure say I'm married?
No, baby, of course I'm married, but I just not think I time it because we have so much to do, babe. We have so much.
As me say, me never say no. Me say that on my to-do list.
Well,
And also kids too, so make sure say I want picnic to come. I want picnic for no point on this. I just make sure say I have kids planning this, get engaged, then we get a nice wedding.
Kids.
Yes.
So much picnic I plan for you, so.
Maybe 3.
3 picnic.
Yeah, maybe 3. 3 not as much.
I don't feel like 3 too much, but yeah, I think so like 2.
3, no, 2 boy and 1 girl.
Maybe you can't wear 3 picnic. You know, so if first one come out, it was hot, you know.
Listen to me now, woman, my name, I hit my born for. Never mind you.
Well, that's true.
Okay. So you go and go work on so far, and me stand here and feel it paid, okay?
Well, anything I said, then say that. Anything at all I say.
So go on work now, I know you're late now. I know you say because of me you're late.
Yo, Davi! Davi! Yo! Look at it, bro! Alright.
No, you're late.
But I didn't.
Oh, yeah, no, you're late.
Come on, make a meeting set time.
Me to meet him. I know you're late out there.
No, I'm not. See you call loud, brother.
What do you, bro?
Yeah, I go on.
But say $1,000 me need borrow from you, what do you me bring back?
No.
You don't want it back, don't you?
You should have given me a two. Oh, Alia, come sit down, man. Come sit down.
You say your sister this, me can't get that one. Nice, me can't get her number.
No. They don't say I'm my sister.
Your cousin? She nice too, me can't get her.
No, man, I'm my girlfriend, man. That me I try to tell her.
Oh,
Wait, what's that?
you soon get $1,000, just rush me for $1,000, so bro.
Me just say you can't come.
Me have you, bro. You make it look like me I run with. You feel glad say me bring you back, bro.
You bring me not glad. You should have bring back two.
Yo, cut long story short. You come like you want to murder me for $1,000. And when I win, cause that one look nice, you know.
As you said to me about this morning.
What did?
Well, my cake, you know, make sure say upstairs and downstairs shall take cake I got the day, you know.
You come like you know enough about cake, so. But, why you don't say your name plan now within that door? Alright, well, me name plan now within, but right now, I'm mad for build one wedding, man. I swear. I'm mad for build one wedding.
You keep a wedding.
Yeah, man. I'm not married, man. I see someone find somebody like your girlfriend. And second and I'm married to, bro.
But you can't settle down.
Yeah, try.
Man, told me no, you I think you settle down until you can't walk. That they only settle down, you settle down.
Yeah, easy, you know, Davi. You know, say not easy, bro.
Yeah.
You always want to laugh off of me and take me to some joke thing, you know, brother.
I don't say me take you for joking, but just knowing your personality time, I don't think you're ready for settle down. But I hope some wrong still, cause bro, believe me, finally, I'm a settle down and right now it's like that my life changed. Cause I'm some used to run up and down in the streets of a year, you know.
See, someone second them too, bro.
It can't happen,
You
man.
see, run up and down thing down sometimes my foot tired, bro. I'm tired for run up and down now.
Well, how you man, me I tell her. Why me I tell her, but yo, I hope me real day I go to sleep, bro. You see me?
Work.
Yeah.
Say that it's too late now.
So, mom's how do you do that?
No man, you good man, I just joke man.
Oh.
Alright. You know, we done late already. Are you alright? Like how you meet my friend.
Yeah.
Like how you meet my friend. I can't go meet mommy too.
Your mother. I
Yeah,
know.
talk about married somebody to tell meet my mommy.
I go find you run. What you talking about, yeah, man?
I should have told you can't come.
I told this relationship you had till all mother go know daughter-in-law and everything. Bro, I'm really come back.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know like this. But you want dirty boy, no. Come on.
$100.
You know, say I don't $1,000, you know.
So that woman nice, man. But I want one of them woman there, you know. Not even one of them woman there, she. But I do everything still, me nah get in between.
The vibes of the sweet Pennsylvania. Can't do without a spit in a me mouth. The deputation require in the car. Run out. That you give me the camera.
What happened?
Yeah, deal with.
Hey, hold my meds. Hello, good morning.
Boy, mommy, this Alia what me I tell us so much about.
Okay, we hear a lot about you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
right.
about it. Yes, me okay, man. You okay?
Yes, man, give
So
thanks.
wonderful to meet you.
Nice. We hear good things.
So have I.
Good. We're glad we finally bring her around.
Yeah, you see a nice brown thick ass or something, mommy.
She have a good spirit about her, my son.
Yeah, man.
I love your spirit.
Thank you.
Nice man.
So, me hear so much good things. Now me meet you. When me go buy my hat?
Hot for.
What you mean hat for? Me buy new hat every time we go to a wedding. I'm this one guy special.
Oh, we can't plan it. We can't plan no wedding yet. Me don't have no money for that man. No. Yeah.
Excuse me. Money? You worry about money?
Yeah, me have to get one nice wedding.
No, you're not for about money. Me married and I want tree, when I want house back, I don't want guard. Me no matter. Money is not a problem.
Bill, but me not even have money if you can buy a ring.
Ring.
Yeah.
Davi ring.
Yeah.
You know them little sweet something that they sell for turtle ring pop?
Yeah.
So, me second for them until we make it further in our life. Yes. But as long as you're in my life, me sacrifice.
Are you sure about that?
Me sure, I'm 100% sure. Look how long may I talk? Me ever disappoint you?
Well, that's what I see now. That's what I see now.
No, oh God, we can't hug you. Sure. Oh God, I know me love you. You know how much my son go through and with bad girls and break heart and thing. Oh, you make the look, could you make the hair them rise up on my hand. Oh God, I know me love you. You get a good woman, Davi.
Nice man.
Make sure you look after her.
Me right now, you get take care of more than anything. Anything I will. You don't have to worry about that, man. Plus, I'm missing me have some big plans going forward, so everything just sound nice. Everything all great. You don't have to worry about anything. I know. So if I'm married, one day you have a big wedding. It's like over
So as me say, me sacrifice small one until me can get the big one.
one time we are married.
No, you can have 2 weddings. You
believe
can. You can though.
I believe not.
Don't know me?
Yes, man,
Okay.
you can renew your vows.
Okay.
Oh, we just want to think perfect from the get go. But regardless, Alia, mommy, Alia.
Yeah, nice meeting you again, mother.
Nice to meet you, baby. You want a drink or anything?
No, I'm okay.
All right. So grandbaby's on the way soon.
Mommy, you're too enough now, man.
Wow. Is what a mother always want for a child.
Mommy, just build man. So alright, we see you look more.
All right. You bless me, dear.
All right.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
All
Walk good year.
Alright.
Davi, you get a good woman that's so. Look after her.
Why? Can I take one lunchtime now? And then in I lunchtime again, we get one lunchtime because boss in the commit. Go and freestyle and see what TikTok a deal with. Yes, Father God. Boss in the commit. And right now the electric, the boys can do the current.
So it's so hot, man. Ready?
Yeah, man, how about
There. The boss today.
boss in the forward yet, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what going so far upon yours? Everything are active up?
Well, everything active up, you know. Everything good. I come early and I do some work. I do my work. You see me, so I kind of take a look at lunchtime.
But half a 9 now.
Me up on my lunchtime. You understand? Remember say you no come early, you know. Me come early. And boss in a forward yet. So we can take an extra lunchtime.
I'm all pretty. I'm going to do some electrical out there.
Yo, let me tell you something, Bridget. All our way I do different work, different trade on the same day. Yeah, hold up my work. I say if I come from morning, I could have done what I do and get all 3 lunchtime. Yeah, I do current work, Bridget, and call late your company work.
Father, I'm not see you wrong, you know. But I know you pay me, so don't worry about that. No matter what, you still have to set bills paid. I force me ever late, I'm not even late, I just want 5 minutes. So you don't have to worry about that.
You know, if I'm look on you to say you're smart. You know, pay you. But you are hold up for me pay.
Let me get to it. Not me on it.
If I'm a little boy about them got gallons, it's cool. If man come from early, I could have gone home, you know, you hold up my pay, you know, I don't know what make bossy. They make me just done for my work, and then he can call in the current boy. Oh, I go rest up on a week. Just feel like I'm going to go lick a boy. You know what? You know, I give me a big tune, maybe tell me get paid. My lawyer can defend me.
I want today, man. Hey, boy, and I have sense, man. Tired to talk to the youth. Every time I tell the man, see, yo, don't take off the back after the stadium. I simply send for these jokes from there and mash them up, you know, man. Yo. I don't carry my vest today, but the youth can move like you know, no sense, you know. I trust the inside boy and I.
Hey, babe. How was work?
Wow, baby.
How work today?
Tired, man.
Oh. Hi, dear hot. So, not when I go around and make reach work later and so.
Why? Everything good still, but God knows what did rough today.
Let us look now gone.
Yeah, but you know, me just like be on time. I'm a man of time and a man of principle. That's just me, but I want to look extra tip to the baby. Yeah. Then I come do the work, so.
Yeah, I love how you push out the effort to work and make money. You push out the effort for me.
Oh, you know.
You can't see it.
Somebody see that and tell her, not you.
No, but obviously if I know me, I work for we I work for. I work for make our life better.
Yeah.
Ain't it? Exactly. I love that.
Babe, since all day, me I think say, oh, time to buy one car in a car. If you walk go work, so you say, boy,
Shut up there.
no. I want crown or something.
Them make it easy for turn over. You know why you have none of them hype something, they buy something and work you go. You not got party in our club or them place say you are going to work.
Well, no. Anything your money reach and it look nice, I can travel with the family and that number one. And then after that we buy one helicopter.
You know, see, your head I go too far now.
Or one yacht.
Slow down.
Spaceship.
Slow down. Wait, slow down. Wait till we extend the house and then something come in, so we still have 3 people, you know. So you have to wait till the house extend and then I think about those things.
Well, everything will fall into place, but me I work towards it. I'm gonna do some work in Ireland to them, get some land grass and stuff. But only perfect times there, baby. I know so all of them will come through. And I know so they'll buy a helicopter. After everything. But me I'll be there after
Yes,
now.
I do it. When you still come.
Okay.
See how you did, bro.
I'm there that go and chill before work, you know?
Yeah, so me not think they don't mash up that they work there, bro.
I want job me do.
Oh,
Holy pastor, madam. Holy pastor.
yo, you know, yeah, tell us if you're sick with it, you know, bro. We can't go a road again like one time, you know, bro.
Dog, I know say I can't go road, but I know say things change neither, but things just different, you know. Like my responsibilities now. I have to come in. Of a woman fit where if me come in and so bro so. And not even like some now go road more while than about I have to think about certain things. Like say yo, what go cook if me get to spend time tonight. Like first time when we young and nothing I do in a dog, can't say road every night, girl every night, Abby, Brianna, Katana.
Remember them days, yo, bro, I'm proud of you know, bro. But you're second on, bro. Your woman nice, bro. Believe she nice. If you married her for real, bro. Just don't left me out, bro, cause you know I love my belly sometime, you know.
So boy, you tell me if married the cake, a free cake you want. Go marry the woman and give me cake. Go buy one cake.
Bro, you know see me I search for love, bro. About from 1968 me I search for love, you know.
I can't find it.
And at 2026 I know me not find love, bro.
But I love you so much, find love, man. I love we find you.
Me top search I know, me give up.
Give up.
Yeah, bro, me give up. From 1968 I know at 2026, bro, look how long that.
Yeah, give up, my dog. You have out there for everybody. I just who want it.
That's true still.
I just who want it, my dog. But in our real life, it's so different with Alia, dog. He just know for all out. You not to ask me for nothing, dog. What do you make you meet me? Yesterday, too. Make you meet me. And mommy said go mention the wedding thing to dog. And I said, boy, I don't have money for that and all. Them the time there now. The girl said, I'm not married than a big house. I'm married than the olive and cheap for that. So I said, bro, when woman say they send the dog, you have to look into them and value them, you know?
So you would have married her under one tree?
I would, but I'm not going to.
You just make sure say if a tree you not married under, bro. No put the cake on that tree, cause you know some leaf and lizard and thing upon the tree, bro. Drop on the cake, I mean I like them style, bro.
You mean I like them style? How are you not name lizard?
What me name lizard for, bro?
You don't have to name no cake then.
Bro, just don't put the cake on that tree, bro, when I get married.
Marriage time, man, I know, dog. And money time, I know. As a matter of fact, our time and money time. I have to go home, bro. And I have to look at things so there with it, doesn't it?
Big up yourself.
You got back yourself.
Dog, woman, nice, you know. You better take care of her before me take care of her.
So around there, everything, my treasures, my farm, my ground, everything.
That means Maybe I want to work hard, man, because if you're a lady and you have such a big farm. Wow.
Well,
It's surprising.
we have to try. Every day give me something to do.
No, me see where your son get to workaholic vibes from you. Cause in the bracket like you gotta work every morning. I don't know, kinda in love with it still. Cause me love a man when I like to do. Love a man I love work to make a woman comfortable and I love that way. So I'm in love with the son. So in her life. His son is such a wonderful man.
You change him, you know. I love how him come on with work and everything. Because why since you come along, Alia, we're glad me finally meet you, man. Because from you come along, Davi just change. You just settle down and just get serious and just get mature all overnight. So what kind of miracle you work?
I mean, I know either, but as we say, Missy say love me and God know me love you. God know.
We can see that. We can see that. Cause the two are on a glow. We can see that. So, I ask about the elephant in the room, you know, no, him not step out, I just woman talk. No.
Hey.
When you not go give me my grand picnic?
But I talk to him, come and tell him I want kids, you know, come and tell him I want 3 kids. But I say 1, 2, but me want 3, so you know him go please me. Soon man, know yourself, as soon you get a grandkid, a granddaughter, a grandson, maybe both. Who knows?
I have 4 or 5, cause you may depend on you know.
No, 4, 3 is no.
Alright,
3 is
alright.
enough.
We'll take whatever blessing God give me. You take that. Yes.
3 is enough, man.
I love how you know talk. Him say what they want build up on the house and things. So whatever influence you have on him, keep it up.
Okay.
Because I love the way you now go on. I love
I'm
you.
glad we finally get to meet you. You know, somebody if you talk to come more and sit down over there boring. I ain't gonna walk, so when time I go out, I can come over mother-in-law come
Of
chill.
course.
So-
Of course.
I'm glad we finally meet you. Man.
Definitely this is your home, you know.
Thank
Treat
you.
this like your home too. We is one. So me have to say, I'm not put wedding ring on it yet, but that's official. You is family.
Family. And I'm going to come pick 2 of them coconut over the family for me.
Yes.
Look,
I tell you the water sweet.
I'm going to pick 2 from him when he come.
You not for wait for him. Come, I hope you can climb tree. May I get 2 now.
But me can't climb.
Ready to walk you now. Alia! Alia! I might hear the fear outside.
This is it.
Auntie, be catch up here.
Alright.
Hello?
Yes.
How are you there?
Over your mother.
You over my mother yard. It's very true, my mother yard. I'm left here this morning.
Excuse me, the boys look over your mother.
So you not tell me say I left yard?
So everything you got to tell Davi?
No, I don't say you have to tell me everything, but you just left yard, so I expect to see you back. Furthermore, you get all up to you sure say over mother yard there?
Yes, over there with the share pick coconut and stuff, forgive me.
I'm from mother than a coconut tree. Alia, which one you
Go
there?
on to your mother farm with them. If you didn't come around here, you don't know what around here.
Alia, which one you there?
You say if you don't believe me, I believe you don't believe me. Over your mother, either call her and ask her or something, but over me there.
Brother, my mother not have no coconut tree over my yard. You left the yard up, man. Now you just left the place up. What kind of style that, Alia?
Me for this. Me not have no argument with you. Me tell you, me there if you don't believe you don't believe you. Call her mother and ask her.
Yo, me not call me ask him nothing, you know.
You're
Matter of
lucky
fact.
then.
Yo. See, me can't call her, you know what? He left the yard and tell him, go tell him, go down over mother yard. Mother than a coconut tree over here. Come go out, Ken. Come go out.
What if I tell Auntie Charmaine? Believe you won't believe her.
Alright now, the morning you start, I'm tired and thirsty. May I tell you say sun hot. Right now I go get some water because I don't get paid yet, you know, because I a boy, you know. You know, You get some water in this and drink some water out of the pipe. So I'm gonna give a girl $300, you know, I'm have to work for it, you know. And you see what me and my son work hard. But girl go over bridge, you know. And I tell her say, yo, me a shoot, and me a shoot, and me a shoot. The girl have to give me back my money. Cause no, me can't reach it. That me I tell him. But
Argument for what? Simple question. I'm go answer it some type of way. Make come like me want sense. So that's why I can't borrow certain things, you know. Like problem, you know, cause I come like me not sense.
yo, every day you would late for the people in work.
Yo, brother, I ain't no chattings with you, you know. I ain't no chattings with you today, you know. Today I ain't idea, brother. I ain't no chattings with you.
Go on, man, so you don't have girl stress, man.
Yo, me I tell her, you know, man. When I'm a woman stress, I stress like people at work. He come like 7, me just not have no peace, no which one me go. Me can't have no. Tell you, man. Yay! Help! Yay! Help! Yay! Oh my God!
You know, so me come like me tell boss that boy that idiot, you know. Me know him a idiot, you know.
So weird. Oh God. Oh God. My son. So what did he must sleep? He must sleep. Jesus. What did doctor them say?
Well, basically, the let me know say he had less than 10% chances to get back in eyesight.
What?
And the eyesight can come back at any given moment, but as well as incidents, if you just left you up to God, or God alone.
Jesus. It's 10% earlier.
10%.
And then just start get back up on him foot. So what did say happen? How?
I want like an accident in the workplace, like you still in sex one and you just get up and straighten your head.
Jesus. Well, we have to say thank God because that somebody could have unalive me boy. Davi.
You have to just start prepare for your work to help him.
I don't know what to do with blind people.
We have to go learn, mother. We have to go learn.
I don't know what I go do.
I love him, I don't give up on him, I go learn.
God is a good woman, you know. He's a good woman. I don't know. Jesus. Clear.
Babe.
Davi.
Everything's so dark.
You just
Leave it.
You know, it can't come off because it's swelling gone down, you know.
The swelling gone?
Yeah.
Come, I can't say nothing.
You can't see.
You can't see nothing?
Davi, we have bad news, see.
What kind of bad news? Don't turn on the light now. Oh, I can't say nothing.
Just that way. Your light already on.
What do you say I put on my face?
Your glasses.
What kind of glasses? So I have bad eyesight.
You don't have bad eyesight, but you're blind, Davi.
What?
You're blind and with no accident.
Me not drive car. What am I for blind?
You work on a construction site and still juking your eye. You can't. I'm sure you remember what happened. You remember
Of course, remember what I mean, say me blind.
Alright, but there's a chance it might come back. You have to hold on to God. Here, not give up, because we're there for you.
I'm gonna win it.
Company veranda. What me the company veranda? Company veranda.
Alright, no, you're going the wrong way.
God,
You don't know what to do. Lead him the area. Mind your handle. Step down.
No, wait, just take your time. Take your time.
I'm not used to this, man. I'm not used to
Right
this.
here. Just sit. You're not job, sit.
Every second.
Alright, sit good.
How this happen? How this happen? How?
I don't know what you did for this okay, this thing. Really don't.
Argument, baby. I treat argument what happened.
But me tell us me over your mother and you
Me
disbelieve
have a
me.
coconut tree. Me never. You have coconut tree over there.
They tell her, yes. And you know, remember the remembrance of the coconut tree last time they plant. Lord God, you're losing memory too, baby.
I don't lose no memory, but me don't know if no coconut tree over there.
He call me in I when me over there and me tell you me over there he don't believe me. And if he say lie me I tell him. And me tell you over your yard me there.
Yes, over there, so she get the call saying that. Confused. All we know say we are gonna get through this year, my son.
So when will I get my revision?
I know. Just if everything to Father God.
God will help you here, and we're there. We're there.
I'm right here with you. If we lose the road, we'll build one slow, brick by brick, through the falling snow. Take my hand, don't let go, don't let go. We were never meant to stand alone. Will our love survive? Will our love survive? Hold on, we can make it through. Will our love survive?
Clear what we have to do.
There's only one thing to do now. One thing to do. Everything I forgot to change up, you know. Every single thing.
I got all the plans him have and everything. Me thank God say I'm alive and everything, but blind. I don't know what to do with blind man.
That's why I say everything I forgot to change up. Every single thing I should change right now. I don't even know what me I go do.
So I leave you, I gotta left him.
No, leave no night, no, but when me say everything, remember saying can't go work now, you know. So more of me if we go start work, you know, help him, we have to go budget for study, you know, because he can't do no work and so on. Not a problem to stay with him and care for him and stuff, you know, but if me I go work, I gonna need somebody who can care for him till he come back from work.
Me will do all that, you know, me will do all that to my son. All me do is thank God, because you is a good woman, you know. You is a good woman, cause plenty woman would have gone and leave long time.
We have so much plans for yourself. So much plans, all of them, the plans are gone forward. I don't even know if inside I'll come back. I hear doctor say 10%, so more likely he not come back.
That's a 90% saying that. No, we have to stay positive. We have to stay positive. God will provide. I will do my best. So I thank you here. God bless you. God bless you. God bless the day my son find you.
Father God, what may I go do? What may I go do, Father God? What may I go do? Davi, active bro. Still the money drop here, bro. Brother, we are sneak up on me, so dog. Active bro, active. Man, you could have cut in now. We are sneak up on me, so brother. Yo, I be a thing me here on the street, no bro. I think it's a meeting an accident, a blind bro, true? Or a prank? Father, you know, see me in a glass, dog. I know some blind, the doctor some might get back my eyesight, but things are pretty at all, dog. Things need to look no way, because I can't see nothing. So yo, how that reach you, bro? Why, you know, say, he come like I walk, I'm telling you, I walk me dip one, and before you, me remember when me a reason, I say me I go for. Me and man catch up in an argument and sitting. And my guy walk. And then one boy dip on the walk there. Yo, that man they come like him born with problem in your heart or something. Man go up on here and say something to me. And then Make me just trigger off dog and start pissing him up and sitting. Them grown there. And it's like piece of steel. Man ever take off it, the buckle them off of steel, brother. So I drop my tape measure and me a cuss and sit, and by the time I take up it, boy, I don't even know that. I just feel I'm pain and my 2 eye them one time, dog.
Yeah, bro. Yo, I feel no, brother. In the streets, me there, no, brother. And you said that, and so I so come reach up here, no, bro.
Brother.
Outside, bro. So, you want to marriage, bro. Your woman not go bother marry you.
What do you mean
She
by
don't want no man with blind for
What do you
marriage.
mean by that? You feel like I don't lose, girl, me take up, brother. We don't want no get.
How you gonna see if you put on the ring?
Man, if I come away for this man, dog, I make no sense. I bet you go on here, dog.
Bro,
me
nah,
go put
this
on
bro, me just a wise you up, bro. Your woman a go left here now, bro.
No, brother, a good man, dog. No man, nah, listen. Bet every month I'm packing for that, dog. A good man me take up. How when they active, me treat her good. And plus, this just temporary, dog. God. And the doctor said me don't get what my vision.
Well, if a good woman get still in your life according to you, you know, just hope say she good, you know. Cause you can't see nothing, you know.
You can't say, you try this, man.
Bro, me nah this said that with a friend, bro. Which young girl go want a man with blind right now?
Brother, when me active, me treat her good, dog. So she have a day by my side. I'm sure right, bro. I'm sure right.
Well, I feel a woman in a long time, you know this, so you must know if I did treat her good or if she did treat her good or if she loyal or I just think we call link you still, me I go on the road.
Alright. Respect.
Alright, now I got put on some tea and thing for him and do some porridge and thing bring come. Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
I go and assist him because in their ball and I just make him keep calm.
Alright, try keep him cool. We soon
Alright.
come.
Yo, mama.
I'm free.
You know, say general, me just go check while I go. I'm sorry for you what I go on. God just since today me find out how I go on.
Man, I'm back of food.
Well, I feel it for you, boy, but anything what you need, you can just call me. We did it for you.
Man, you making me fun or so.
Yeah, man, anything at all, man. No matter what, just link me and buy you anything, me give you anything. Alright. Promise myself, say I'm gonna give her anything, you know. Anything at all she want.
Tippy, me not to stop sneak up on brother. You come like you want me pull up me knife for you.
Big, but today I'm
Oh.
Where you go?
I told my friend come over here a while ago and sneak up and pop off my knife on him. And then if somebody try to rob me or what.
Pop off knife. I can't see. Feel where I go stop.
And I need to see it now, I just need to cut.
So,
Babe,
hmm?
for I am left me I think boss and I just left on my mind.
Like what?
I know say me not see things you know. And me not my vision now well. I know see things you might not get my vision based on what the doctor say. And me just want you know say if you go left me, you go understand. Me go feel away but you go understand.
Me not go nowhere.
Although I don't know. You can tell me the truth.
Me not going anywhere. Me I reassure so me not leave. You did the here with me when I'm not blind. So why when I'm blind me I go away? Me I go
Because
try my best to provide for you too. Me not leaving. We have plans together and we still have a fulfill them plans. So whether you have a site or not, I am not leaving.
yeah, sure. Because while I go meet my friend and say something to me, you know, and don't make me feel that way to call.
Listen to
You
me.
must say,
Me love you and that's all matters. Me not go nowhere. I am not leaving you. Me I go there so through thin and thick with you. Me not go nowhere.
you promise me.
I promise you. So you don't need to worry yourself. I'm going to there to take care of you.
Alright, that's all I do. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm going to there.
Alright, you can fry one egg for me, please.
What you want, bread with it?
Just one egg.
Just the egg?
Mm-hmm.
And nobody already crying again, please.
No, but
Alright.
God, please, please. Please, I'm the man shot. If provide.
Wait.
Hmm?
Where you go?
How come me I walk up?
Okay, my dear, I'm follow you.
No man, I'm a good man.
You sure you know I'm follow you?
I'm a good man, I know my way.
You know your way, yes,
You know-
but remember you know the side.
Yeah, I know the road for more than 3 weeks now. I'm like, me know me I go man, just easy man.
Nice. Hold on, watch your grill. Yes, you sure you know I'm follow
Yeah,
you?
me know my way, yeah.
Oh, you're walking on your grill.
No, make me have it man, sit there.
Alright. Open me.
Good man,
Sure.
One very sure I'm making call.
Oh wait, it's not Davi Dan. No sir. Kendra pervert himself. I'm sorry. I mean, come.
Good man, me know the way man.
Mind the rat store, mind your buck, your toe.
Good.
Alright. Yeah, no must know the way, yeah, so you
You know,
know.
go like my blind or something man.
You're not blind.
Alia. Where big boss say?
You know you're there and walk on over your mother.
You know.
No, I'm just got check your mother.
Oh, so you're good.
Why? You know, so I'm not so good though.
I'm to you.
With bills and everything they upon me right now.
Bills.
Yes, remember saying now work again now. And if I feel go but getting a check regular, you know, money that buying medication them and money that and
So all these
it's tough,
years,
it's tough.
all these years, a man do electrical work. You never have no save up.
Yeah, you come like you not understand. We have money, yes. But bills them a get higher and higher every day. Them a get tougher and tougher, man.
Yeah, you understand, man.
Then you have one surgery if you do a come up. Why a bullet for money that?
What if money?
Okay.
You can't.
I want something upon the go.
No. You know, say, we think I want 40 like that. But if bigger than 140 like I want cow,
When they? Which one is the cow? Correct, sir.
he run gone. Cow run gone.
Listen, man, I'm not with the joking business. That's the same so your friend saying, love one if I joke.
So, what going for you? You eat for morning?
Yeah, of course, me eat.
You have something for eat later?
Yeah, man,
And
we
the
have.
other day and the other day.
I'm happy, so.
So, how the bills them on?
As me say, then tough.
Boy, me probably can get one 10 grand card. You see, true, you're a boy, I feel me boy. And I'm a dog for years now, so.
Seriously?
I help me, I try and help you know if we put towards the bills them.
You would have give me 10 grand for you?
Of course.
Me no say you would have give me it for
You
you,
would have to
man.
give me something.
What mean by guess something? What mean by that?
You would have to give me some.
Some of what?
You don't know what me I talk.
You're out there, you look like me worth 10 grand? See, but you're out there and bright. You look like me worth 10 grand.
So, if me get 50, you can give me some. Or you would have give me some.
You know, say I decide this a friend now. I decide me not style my man for no liquor and nothing. Come talk millions, come bigger. Me not this my man.
So, if you tell
You
us.
out of there and your friend. And you never used to say that something when your friend never blind. When your friend blind, you come and come take your friend, woman. You're very out of there. You have to stop it. Come out of my yard.
So, if you tell.
Come out of my yard. Me know why you nothing for you too out of there and bright. Come out of my yard,
Bills are
man.
gonna kill you, eh,
Make
man.
it kill me.
You're blind.
Out of
You're
there.
blind, man.
Bright out of there, but you come back and look me in my man, please.
So. I know my way, man. Just school now. I know my way.
Yeah. You know you way. You know even see us stumble.
Stumble with one man. I'm more than 3 weeks now. No. Right now, I feel like I'm blind all my life.
No,
Oh,
calm that
I
down.
encourage you, but watch out.
Kuya. Nobody get too used to it here.
Yeah, but
You see nothing.
what kind of treatment you see? I'm the doctor say. a 90% chance not come back. I just have to be realistic with myself.
No, man. Have faith in God. Have faith in God. Miracles can happen. Me a prayer, a mother's prayer. No, man. Have faith. You want to sit down?
No,
You
man.
want to come off for your foot?
Yeah, alright, man. Right. You know, I'm long stretch my legs. From a look incident happen, me come like say, but now I'm left yard or so. From I get my stick, I feel like I can't go anywhere. The only thing more I know, I just want to helmet and I jump back on my old bike on the house.
Jump up power.
Oh, you want to see me on one wheel in night town? I just show me car so when you carry them.
A joke you make, man.
Oh,
A joke you could have make because blind or not, me with a A. Me would slap the black off you, Davi.
Me easy, man.
Go on which bike? And you can't even see nothing.
Me no need to see, I don't need to see me. Mommy, come give me some juice, please.
You can't go on bike. Alright, come.
Alright,
Let me.
lead the way.
Alright, come sit down. I'm gonna get you the juice. Mind you, sit there now. But go on bike. Lift up your foot. Put it back down.
Thank you.
See how I come now. How me I go tell him this? How me I go tell him this and say? Come towards me. Follow me, B. Follow my advice.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, man, me there, man.
I want to use a stick. I want a different stick.
Come on, here, so buy a different stick for me. See right here, sir. Alright, really right here, sir. Really right here, sir. What?
Yeah, I'm going with.
No, I'm going with nothing. Let that show stick because you hear me.
Yeah,
You're
I'm not
insane.
even stick. I don't know what.
No. That's some more.
Yeah, so you saw him so low. Where are the stoop down? Wait,
No.
ready for?
See me here, sir. I'm up high now.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm not open. Want to talk to you about something?
Wow.
By your friend Tibi.
What happened?
You come over here and say, would I give me 10 grand fee?
Jesus Christ. 10,000.
Hey.
10,000.
Yes, 10.
Yeah, you make me take off the glass and look when you're good.
You can see me?
Me can't hear your voice. My friend said I come over here and give you 10,000.
Yeah, you say,
A good friend.
but
Wow,
finish that now.
you don't need to don't talk. You don't need to don't talk. You see, throw up my look at me and drop me. You're going like me blind. I want to tell man, you're my mother. You see, throw up my look at time of emergency and desperation. You see, you, my mother, and TB, my best friend. I Uno did it for me. I Uno make me can feel free and jump and walk up and down and sit.
Stop.
Yeah.
You scare me.
Me nah no
Stop.
I Uno make me can do everything. You still me I say no.
Mm-hmm.
You see the difference? You are my mother a family and I'm here there. But this man just my friend. So him never have to do nothing. So if I know saying come over here and say man give me 10 grand. And me tell him say me hungry and I mean tell him say time hard. So me not is right man does know. So right now I come over and go from here and go tell him thanks.
No.
10 grand I want you.
You not give me it. You say, would I give me it if bills if you help me with the bills? You not give me it yet.
So wait, tell him so good.
No, I'm not telling you so good, man. If I will give me it.
Oh.
If I will give me it.
Oh.
Yeah, everything good.
You sure? Cause baby things that get hard for you, you know. You know, sitting there, then this all listen TikTok what you hear one message coming, cause you know you have a
Yeah,
SMS
talk
we
back.
talk.
Yeah.
You are sitting coming say JPS bill one pay now and I said boy me leave my first bill that pay JPS. So right now that thing they would have do well. If you collect your man.
No, collect it. No, collect it.
Alright. So what happen people the show I wait to go and say it's 10 grand an hour.
No, we not say nothing. Just they come look for you. Me think say the day over your mother and then say alright later. No, man, you not say nothing.
Me all come from too.
Me know say over there I come from. I'm going to check her, you know.
I check mommy.
Yeah, me I go check her.
So me ask if you want to come this morning, you say no.
Me tell her for me follow you. You say no, you're not blind. You walk by
I follow you
yourself.
don't follow me, a difference in that.
No, something me I go for fun or for you.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, go baby when you come back, more some parts to come out.
Okay, no problem.
You can give me a stick.
But you just said I need a stick, though.
No, what
I
it
know
that
that's
is that easier.
No, you have to tell me if you give your stick.
That easier man. Thank you.
Yeah, man, alright, take your time. You want me for you go in?
Jerry, go on to my mother.
Is this same
Jerry,
thing?
go on to my mother.
Mommy! Auntie Charmaine!
Oi. What happened, baby?
What's up?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm looking me a hold up, isn't it?
How you? How you doing?
I'm getting there, I'm getting there. Me just come to talk to you about something.
Yeah, man.
You ever in a one situation where you want to tell somebody something, but you can't tell them because they in a one situation. Because if I tell them, it'll break them because they in a one situation where they already hurt already.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you suggest me to do? Come here, something to tell somebody, I don't know how to do it.
Well, all me can say, you see, when a dog is down, you can't kick them. It's better you talk the truth and speak it well, and cost it what it will, but you have to know the timing. If the person down in the gutter, you give them bad news. Stress is the biggest killer,
And that me I worry about. I mean, no, say, me tell me it go break him even more.
Break him?
I want somebody down the road that me know, man. Me hear something about somebody feel, man, I want to tell him, but he's very sick, I can't tell him.
Yeah. Well, sick people normally can't manage extra stress, So, me no know, you have to know the timing. And maybe when you kind of hop on one foot, then, you can't drop it. But you have to tell them the truth still.
So in due time, wait, liquor.
Wait till then kind of pick up.
Okay.
So other than that, how my son? He not tell me the truth.
No, come on, boy, I walk around like he don't want to sit on one place. I talk to him, boy, I walk like he having 2 years, they must see what to see me. And to show me, if you ever know how me afraid, this man when he take up himself, boy, I come over here to you.
Me frightened. He
Tell
said
him
me I look
remember
and look.
where.
Him know the way, him know where I'm going.
Yes,
I
I
said
am
me
mother
tell.
yard, he know everywhere I go. I don't know, book up in here, and I say, sure, I come to you. No, he won't go and
How when me I help him? No, you treat me like me a blind man. We just have to let him go
So,
back.
when do?
He come true. He buck him foot about 4 times, but he come true.
Me just allow him, make him have a little piece of mind, cause
Yes.
at least he still move on and happy see me. Even though he's not happy, but
Yeah, man. You have to do the best out of it, because man is still a man.
yeah, me just go over go make some porridge drink. And they say one porridge in a evening, so I go make a porridge and then wait,
Alright.
here,
God
I'll call
bless you,
Yeah, me give
God.
any updates.
Alright. Thank you,
Alright,
because him
mama.
not talk to me. God bless you.
Really?
Yeah? Huh?
What
Nothing happen.
Where they look on?
I don't look for nothing, just there on my phone.
On your phone.
Yeah, on my phone.
So that's all I paper, so.
No, sir, my phone, I sit me there watch on my phone make it sound so.
Since my lose my vision, me is get clean, I know all the heart, you can hear a beat.
Don't worry yourself about it, man. Everything good.
I'm sure.
Yeah, man.
So that sounds outside.
Be everything good. Me have everything under control. It's okay. I'm just there. I think back one times and me had it. You know,
Nice.
everything good, yeah.
That's something I used to, but boy, sometimes I don't tell you, I wish I could have seen it. Sometimes I just wish I could have seen all that beautiful face again and all that and something.
In due time, in due time.
Really. Sometimes I can feel like one little twitching and go on and make me hear them. I'm see like one little flash, but I don't know if I imagine me or what, but I don't even know.
I don't know. Everything's okay. Everything is going to be okay. Just trust in God.
Alright.
Everything.
I'll take a walk.
You take a walk. Don't go far.
Bet. Follow me go on the veranda now.
Don't follow you over the veranda.
Just the veranda, because through some time when I walk through the door, I lick my head when I'm there.
Alright. Go on this way. So come.
Yeah.
Me I come. Yes, a bill get so high. Since when bill get so high? Me I go do know. Where get so much money from?
Yeah, come on, man.
Yeah, come, babe. Where you sleep there?
Alright. If you are asking that to me.
No, see you outside. Come.
Oh.
Come, make it to outside. You sleep there.
Ask me.
Oh, babe. Slow down. I move too fast. Man. Come, stick.
Stick.
Yes.
Alright, maybe I hit this fair.
Yeah,
Me
be
have a
careful
stick in.
there.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you more.
When you never blind, you never do walk side. Walk side. You can't, so that means say woman must up them. You go up them now.
Watch out. Dirty boy, I'm not telling you to come back on my yard.
No, I boss man, me come check.
You know there. You know there. Me no want you over here. Me tell her already you come and face yourself. No, come back over my yard. Come out of my yard, man.
So him not there.
No, you know there.
God no. So how you look so?
Oh, me look what?
You look frustrated or sad.
Sad boy, what? Me good.
Cause
sad, me good.
from me the walk through the gate, you know, me realize say you look sad, you know. And when you see me, you look frustrated, you know. So me not like how you look. You sure boss, you know, did it?
Me say you know there. You're gonna take a walk. You're deaf. He's not here.
So how life?
Hold on, come here to stress me out. Me already have so much on my head, you know.
Oh.
Bills are kill me, everything are kill me. You come here to stress me out. This.
So me make bills a killer. And me?
Father God, hold me mouth.
Alia.
Hold me mouth.
Alia.
Hold me mouth.
You
Give
don't
me-
have to make Father God hold them out. Just tell me all of your problems, them and me will solve most of them.
Solve my problem how? How you gonna solve my problem?
You don't think about it? The 50,000.
Me tell her say I am not doing it. Me love my man, I am not doing it.
Alia, just think about it.
Me not think
Our
about
help in advance that, you know, that can help you towards your bills them, you know. Might not can help out all of the bills them. And
it. To say as much as I could and help me, I am not thinking about it. I am not doing it. Me don't talk.
Alia, please, I just feel more feel on your body. It's a long time like, you know, but she
Oh, you feel like your friend woman.
no, I told my friend did that same time there.
Also, Trina, you know you get the go ahead. No, not working.
So, the thing say I me go benefit.
Then I will go benefit.
And you go benefit because you go receive.
Receive what? 50,000?
The 50,000.
No, I'm not doing it. Me love my man. Me tell you, me cannot do this to him. Me love him.
What kind of love that?
Me love my man. I am not doing it. Me don't talk.
Be-
So please, kind of leave, please.
Listen to me. You see, before your man blind, your man need to work and provide, you know. You not do it for me, you know. You do it for your man. All these years, a man work and provide and I give things. You know, think say you can't take a chance and give me some and give your man something. This a between your man, you know. You and your man, you know, and not between me and you, you know. Cause when you get this money, you know, it can help out with dog surgery. Come here, say dog have a surgery and a big price. You could never love your man.
Of course,
Think about it, cause you all of me say,
even if me do that, let me ask you a question. How Mr. Sure you're not going to use your mouth and lab off it to the whole community until you reach what my mother and my man is?
no,
How Mr. Sure?
me not steal them with it. Your man blind, but me mute.
When me buy a mute, so you chat to me.
Come player. Then press player. So when time me get him, me go press pause. That means say me mute.
Me can't.
Just think about it.
can't
If you love
do
your
this.
man, think about it. Surgery money high, bills money high. The ghost in her run like one time. Put something in your man pocket and all man. Tell him say you go look at work. And you there work.
Alright, when?
No!
No way.
Time. Not in your house.
You're mad in my man's house, you idiot? No, me
But
can't do that.
your man cannot see.
That doesn't matter. Come go on there back. And you give me money first too. You
No.
are give me the money
No, man,
first.
get half fight.
You give me half, and then before you even half it done, you give me the next half. Come in and run joke.
That's why I know say me push in, you know. Once me push in, you know, you can get everything. A long time me a pray you. Come on, next time I in the house, though, not you.
But I'm a man.
You nah go see nothing. Come on. Like one man can get to like. How would that? Get up and look up, man. What you have to think to be blind.
Father God, you and I want to know. You know, some vision now must come back, but I beg you, please, if I even feel sick, my girlfriend alone, come and say, even though me a smile, and me can't see she a smile, me know say she a pretend. Me know say rough on him. Me know say rough on my mother. Father God, please just let me get back my vision. I'm going. That time you not judge them, rub around all our stuff.
Oh, yeah, pass the gate, me.
Oh,
Yeah, sing up pass the gate, Joe.
I threw
May
me
I
sitting
drop,
down.
may I
No,
drop?
man, drop, man. I threw me sitting down. Threw me sing one of the artists, them, man. You there represent for
I'm going to get used to a chair again.
I should go on. But artist, you know.
So, who you grab and also?
No, must you.
In a year stay.
What?
Mm-hmm.
So what happened, baby? Where the friend there?
Me not do nothing fun them me there. Me just dig up on the road, you do one days work and come back.
Day's work.
Yeah, so this are a few of you go on and this put you up for help out with the surgery.
Baby,
Mm-hmm.
you know, so me tell her, say, my sense then get better for me lose my vision, you know, but me don't know why. I know like, me can't smell it.
40,000.
40,000.
To put up on you for help out with the surgery.
Where you get 40,000 from?
As me said, me go for 1 day's rig. Well,
Baby, not tell me, see, I borrow no money from
no,
you.
I want.
Blind, you know, but me not desperate, you know, baby.
I mean, I say I want to work, me get well 50,000 for it, but me take 10 grand buy something for your house and
50,000? What kind of days work that?
one very hard work and it hot too and quickie. Hot, yes.
What
It's
kind of
son,
hot
remember our son, you know.
Oh.
And it work what we are doing, we have to do it quick. I run computer still about you go around and you take some name of some people and then pay and things. Remember say stamp us all there. So we are trying to lend out a helping hand.
Well, I wish me have the out there when me when me could have see. I don't have to do current work and sit and joke me in my eye them.
Mm-hmm.
God no. Baby, thank you though. Hold on, baby, tell me the truth. I don't prank you, I prank. I don't play money.
Come on, be yourself now. Me no mood do that.
Oh, alright, baby, man, I tell you the truth. You know how good I feel right now.
The money here, if you put up towards the surgical money, I get better money, can be able to see me again. And me only do your work because I love you. So just remember, say, I love you.
You love me?
Yes, I try to provide for you. What mean by if me love you? If me not love you, me gone from here to in the hospital.
Babes, right now nobody no love you like me. Thank you so much.
It's me here, it's me.
Thank you so much.
Yes,
I don't even know. You may take a bath now.
yeah, me so can't take a bath as well.
I call on the chang man. How kind of man call on that?
I don't want color, but remember show me there when the people them to them.
Yeah.
Then color about for me and so.
Chang man. But me know if you come like me, I know you call one too.
You know I call one. Father God, please make me fine. I want know. Hello.
And yeah, one.
No, me there. Where you come for like me and your friend, like me there or something?
Very big man there. Bossy.
He's not here, what problem?
So you know think you could have come over and get a link.
Give me a link for what? For what?
I have an next piece of food for me.
Hello, me I never agree for no second time.
Alia, just relax. Once you test the water once, you're supposed to test it twice. We have 30,000.
30,000? How you take me for? Just the better low you want to lower my price? Our we want try do lower price, you start getting for free. No, me not depend no love nor no like thing nor no friend thing with you.
Please,
Strictly business. Me not depend that.
please, I'll be
Instead of money if you go higher, it I go low. No, you out of that.
Alright.
Come again.
Now 40.
40.
What do you think about that?
Alright, so if you have 40, come over. But next time don't make it happen. Alright, else there won't be a next time. I mean depend no like thing with you, no love thing.
Me not depend on that either.
Okay. You better keep your mouth shut.
Alright, me out. Later.
Mm-hmm.
Davi, me love how you get stronger and stronger. But you see the stick now, man.
I don't say I'm not strong though, but sometimes you have to be strong for the people around me. But you know, say yesterday somebody make a long comment and feel bad too. But there's so much sit down and I don't know if somebody a pass or one group of people or what. I'm here like somebody shout out say they hate man will pretend to be blind and for go walk and sit down.
Forget about that, man. Forget about that. Them are bad mind people.
I mean can't bad mind me. I'm if you bad mind if anything, him can't say, me can't say. If you bad mind
Exactly. Them they know people's story and them not like see black people having hey. Don't worry about that, my son. Don't worry about that. Word is win. Him touch you?
no.
Well, that is the main thing, is the blood that is unkind.
Yeah, but it just something find myself I think say boy mommy. No I'm tired but more about my vision man.
Then the most.
No about my vision. I wish me can see again. You know how long me long for looking at my mother face. How long me long for looking at my girlfriend face. How long I wish me I could have just something so I take for granted. I have to just walk and can't see nature. More have to see them things there.
Oh God, my son, just keep believing. You have to have faith, you know. I mean, no say it's gonna happen.
One boy doctor then say the vision now come back.
No. And doctor don't know everything anyway. The doctor will say, my knowledge is expired. I gather everything. And even at that, them say 10% better than nothing, Davi.
10% are basically nothing.
No. You see my God? You see my and your creator? Him do wonderful things. You know, see Job? Job was after you. And look at what happened to Job. You have to believe it, my son. Because you are pray for it. Ali are pray for it. And nothing greater than a mother's prayer.
That's true.
It's gonna happen. And this is how I know it's gonna happen. Because from where day, me start dream good things. Me start drink milk and honey. Me all dream your great grandmother come to me. Me I dream the ancestors, and whenever that happen, Davi, blessings are come.
Yeah, I hope so now.
Me know so.
I hope so, God now.
Me know so. You gotta get your sight, you know. Go home and you do an almighty prayer. Because blind man not supposed to do what you can do, you know. We're clear from your yard all the way down here. And hey, God bless you, you know, my son. So me know it's gonna happen. You shower you from the head of your foot, from the head of your head to the corner of your foot. How me all twist up my words, how me confused. But me just know say it's gonna happen. God prepare a miracle for my son, and me just know say you're gonna see again. In my almighty God's name, you're gonna see again. Me believe it, my boy. No, me know it, my boy.
Boy, alright.
Me know it.
Believe them, I hope you're right.
Me know it, man.
I'll go over there.
Alright, me know it.
Look on.
Pray, my son, pray.
Alright, look
And
on.
believe. God make it happen. It's gonna happen. You're gonna see again, my boy. You're gonna see again. Oh, God.
What? That set up door for me.
Set up for who?
Come
Come
on.
on, I run back. Where you come and go? Come and go where?
Yeah, relax, so.
We are go round the back.
You can't manage on a back, babe. You can't run a back.
Why you
hard.
call me B?
Just,
No. Why you call me B?
I just a new talk.
No, my name Alia. If I can manage Ali, call me Ali,
You
please.
can't manage on a back. The last time I go on a back. Yesterday I go on a back, you know. And take out me thing. What sting me, you know.
You're good.
When my
Look.
boss
I'm
fell
going
up big.
back. Where you go? Come on.
No, around the hot and you having fun. Just want to do it in our house. No? I can't pay so much money.
You know, say come like I love you. Come over here, look. Me not look love it. Me already have love. I'm not searching for love.
So true, we want to do it in our house. That means
Go
I
on,
love me. I love.
Then I could have where you want to get cozy for. Come now, get up now, man.
Relax, my money not done.
When my money not done, me never, you see, so it's the same thing you want, come over here, come sleep.
But,
get up, there's no sleeping in this.
let me get comfortable. You know I want more money.
Here we come then. Come here, have you hide.
Come here, hide for your man. Your man not. You're blind, your man blind.
Yes, B!
Remember your man blind. Yeah, how you talk to?
Nobody, me just there, just straight away me put on sleep. What happened, B?
Stink, man.
Stink of what?
Stink over.
No, sir, nothing like that. See here, Mary.
Go on.
Mary, yeah, sit down.
Sorry.
It's okay.
How is that shit?
Yeah, she's.
What are you doing that shit?
No, mommy. I catch one cold like through my wet up in Irene or so.
Yeah, catch cold.
It's somebody lie down.
Aye. Your mother may have come from and just have a good feeling. Rush come back over there, baby. Keep me in the mood.
In the mood for what?
Yeah, mood for what?
For what?
You.
Remember say you're sick, you can't
You
do
were sick. Baby, you stop telling me foolish, man. I'm not sick. Where you get that from?
You're sick.
I'm not sick.
Alright, let me go bed first.
No.
Let me go, David, let me go bed. Please don't. Let me go bed and come back.
No.
See?
I want baby. I am also.
Not bother with the baby business this morning. I come down here to tell you one thing, because I couldn't sleep last night beside the head. You think you feel good for know say after me and you don't have sex last night, yesterday. My man come in and want sex. And no matter how much I think make me go bed first, we still do it. You know feel good. So this have to go stop. It have to go stop.
You're not easy, no baby.
Nah, my money lead me astray. Me I go stop this. Me can't. And stop calling me baby.
Tell her good baby, no good word.
Me no want you come baby a man friend.
Yes, alright, here I know. Never deal. Make it be last. The first and the last time.
First?
And the last time. You have about 80,000 right now.
No. Me not depend that.
I mean 100,000.
You must know you say me don't be the same amount of money you have. 100.
Yeah.
100.
Yeah.
My man said you had 200,000. That would have covered it.
You see it?
100 I say.
Right. You see it say? God good. God send a man come your way where you can take care of your man.
And then last time.
That's
and you now come back.
Me now come
None
back.
tall.
None
There's
tall.
a problem going on now.
Problem. If you want me to put something more on it, you can put 20 more on it, but you would have to give me heads.
Oh, you hot hard and bright. Oh, you take me for? Me not take a reg, sir. Me not do them something there. I don't do those stuff.
You get 120. And you 30 done?
100 good. Me nobody want it 20.
Alright. So we are going to do it. Over your yard.
Oh, we want to do it. Yes, I
I
get.
could never. Yes, so that's why I asked her last time. I want to do it over your yard in the house. You complain. So come on, we'll go over there.
Babes. Last night. Wait. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, me can't see. Me can't see. Baby! Yeah! Who's that? God, I forgot to tell Mummy this. Let me come back and tell babes. Mummy, I can't see! Mummy! Mummy! Mummy!
Jesus, when you drop, how you run so?
Mummy, can't see. Mummy, can't see. My eye them at work again.
How much finger?
4 finger, Mummy. My eye them at work again.
How much finger?
2 finger, Mummy.
Jesus, God is wonderful, God wonderful. We tell you for her feet. How much this?
You
You really can't see it, you.
He's the man. I can't see it too. Mummy, he's the man.
Shut up! There is a God, there is a God. Oh God, come here, hear the thunder come. Jesus. So what happened? How you just wake up and can't see or what?
We prayed for me last night. And one prayer I prayed last night by myself. Right. I just wake up and I find myself and look from the glass. What? Me I look and I wonder where my glass is. I'm reach and find it. And I say, hold on. Now my glass this me I see. I sit down me I say. Me just so shocked. And me I look for years this man. Nah, I see him. Right now I see him, was surprised. You think we just turn go over and tell him, so?
Alright. You know what, though? Alia has been so brilliant in all of this. No one target. She deserved the surprise. So you know what you do? Not tell her. Here? Go in and pretend so you're blind same way. And then just nice her up and sweeten her up and everything. And you say when you got do. Have you not see a big man and big woman? And then surprise her. Make you do something that you couldn't do before because you couldn't see. Surprise her, man. Oh God, Alia got happy. Oh God, she deserved that, you know. She fret, you know, Davi. Surprise her, man. Surprise her. But yes, put on the glasses. And then, you run leave the stick down.
We find this.
Find the stick, man, and surprise her. She deserved that little bit of joy.
Tell her. Surprise her. Later on, you see after everything good in the big pot of food. Because you know, long I'm get for certain things in my life.
God, God, good to live to God. You really can see.
Can see one.
How much?
Mummy, listen.
How much?
Mummy, you tied me at 2 finger. 3 finger.
Now fright me like that, boy.
Mummy.
Alright.
Now go over.
Surprise her, yeah, she deserve it,
Alright.
man. God, you're good till you're too good. Thank you, Jesus.
What's the answer? Alia! Babes! You alright? What happened? Man, you come back from the years after your chicks for me. He blind, he gonna say can't.
Be what?
What happened, baby?
No.
Oh.
Alright, babes. I'll be. Be our. Be.